Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today I'm about to be running over to the shop and we're going to be installing some new headlights on the C5. For all my C5 owners or anybody that's rode in the C5, you guys would know at night the factory C5 headlights are trash. Like, there's no getting around that. When I first got the car, it had HIDs in it and they were decently, I guess they're all right. One of the ballasts went out and then it was poop. Ended up doing the LED conversion, which was, it was all right. That's what I had in there, you know, the last setup, but I was still looking for more light outputs. I honestly don't even know a C5 owner that would actually even say like, yo, my factory headlights work good. Like, the factory headlights on C5s are freaking garbage. So I have a new headlight setup that I'm about to be throwing on here. I'm going to be seeing if these other headlights that I ordered are going to be better. So we're about to be going to the shop, about to be getting these in and praying to the Lord of Lights that we can actually see at night. Anywho, enough talking. Let's just jump in this thing and head to the shop. All right, so just getting to the shop. What's up? See this? When was the last time you seen this mic?
That's why I was kind of like caught off. I was like, wait, what the hell? Why you got all this going?
Trying something different. I ain't tried it in a minute. Come on, yo, who told you you can take a break? Man, you don't work for Toyota no more.
I've been working all morning.
Nah, you don't get no breaks around here. What is it? What's in there? It look like you got celery in there. I don't eat celery.
Celery? Cucumber. It's Japanese, fool. Come on.
Ooh. Ooh.
These are gonna look nice.
You'll actually be able to, like, see.
You'll actually be able to see.
These ones suck. Yeah, look at the OEM lights. All these cross lines and stuff, like, they deflect light and kind of like mess up light for you. So these are plus these jammies right here, they got the projector in there, so you have the reflector lens here, so I'm gonna put the LED in here, and then you have the projector, which I'm gonna put a HID in. So they sell replicas of these also. So you have the ones on eBay, which are cheaper, and then you have the actual, you know, the real Johns. So that's how you can tell the difference is the real ones are made of metal, and then the other ones are like plasticky, cheap stuff. But you also have the option to upgrade these to like the xenon projector, which will make it even brighter. But we'll see how these are as, like, you know, like this. But I know a lot of people do retrofits and stuff like that. But anything is gonna be better than what's on there right now. So this harness right here that y'all seeing, this is so, like, on Corvettes you have the high so you have the high and lows, but when you switch from high to low, it either goes on one side or the other side. And what this harness does right here is it allows it to connect both of them. So when you turn the headlights on, you can have your low beams on, and then when you hit the switch, it won't turn off your low beams and cut your high beams on. They'll both will be on at the same time, so the whole thing will be lit up. So you have basically double light. It's gonna be out here glowing. It's gonna look like a Super Saiyan. So ugly cuz getting ready to shake the spot right now. All right, then, blood.
All right, blood.
Oh, you get it.
Just like that.
Is the LED straight? Probably got twisted. Sitting in the casing all funky. Let's see. Does that look straight there? Ooh. I wonder if it's supposed to be up and down or side.
Yeah.
So a lot of the times, and from the other videos that I've seen where people install these headlights, they're running like both relays from here, running the wire all the way over there, and it just kind of like just gets hit away over there. But Aaron decided to run one set behind everything, under, ran it over there and through there, you know what I'm saying, through the little cuts and crevices and all that. So you can't even see the harness over there. Mr. Ooh, you know videos, looking at the video.
You know what? I was wrong. My fault.
Hey, shout out to my Corvette life, man. I've watched a whole bunch of his videos figuring out how to do stuff on this car. Very, very informational channel, so shout out to him. And his car's hella nice. He probably don't even know who I am or nothing like that, but I do want to give him a shout out because I do be watching his stuff secretly. I just wish he would talk a little bit faster. Just a tiny bit.
But now that you were talking, I'll get to rewatch it.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Ooh, look at that. Look at that sexy thing right there. These look hella better. Hit the LED for me. Oh!
Hey, you said it.
Fucking dumb me looking dead at it. Out. Feel like I just looked at a welder. Yeah, these look good. So last bolt going in now. Bruh, these look hella better. We already did the little light test. They're definitely hella brighter, so we're gonna have to show y'all in a second. You got the last bolt in?
Yep.
Oh, go ahead. Flicker them things. This time I'll make sure I'm not looking at it. It's, bruh, don't look. It's bright, nigga. So the HIDs are charging up. Got you. Said don't look, yo.
Look at it. That front looks mean now.
It looks hella better. Man, hold on. I gotta adjust the shutter speed because it's not even picking it up. It's just looking like smudge. Let me adjust this real quick. All right, so we're gonna do this from the iPhone since the GoPro can't seem to pick it up, but there you go. Dude, they look hella sick. Hella bright too.
We should close the door.
Yeah, go ahead. Or kill the lights.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Dude, it's hella bright.
Look, hella clean. The OEM ones were hella yellow and shit, huh?
Yeah, I had LEDs in there, but they were fucked.
They didn't even stay in the housing.
Yeah, this is way better. Hella better.
Turn them on.
Yeah, cut them off. No, the headlights, fool. No, cut those off. Those off. Yeah, there you go. So cut the high beams off. Just pull it back. So there you got just the HIDs. Cut them off.
Say off.
Yeah, all the way off. All right, cut them back on. Now hit the LEDs. Woo, look like Jesus walked in this thing. Bro, those LEDs in that reflector housing are no joke.
No kidding.
Yeah, this is lit. Yup, this is the one. All right. So yeah, this is a dope little setup. So you guys remember the harness that we had that was looking like it was gonna be all over the place? Can't even see it. Everything's all tucked away. Super clean. Like you literally can't see the harness like at all. Still looks exactly how it was before. And then everything's under here. Cleaned this up a little bit too. But yeah, everything's super tucked. Looks good.
No rain?
That's what I'm saying.
What is that? Ain't no rain. Oh, it is rain. What the fuck? Where'd this come from?
No.
Drift lube. What the heck? That's hella random. Just started raining out of nowhere. Hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
Of course. Well, back to this.
Alright, sorry, but it is dark out here, and yeah, I'm saying these things don't do too well at night, but currently no lights on. These are just the regular lights. These are all LED. And then when we hit the flick right here, see it has a cool little cutoff line right here, but for some reason this one's up there, so we need to adjust the left side headlight because that thing is hidden way up there, and you can see where the pattern is right here. So this one needs to come down a little bit lower. But check this out. Watch when you hit the LEDs. The LED with the HID combo is just nutty. Crazy, hella bright. But yeah, we definitely gotta lower this one some. All right, here we go. This is much better. Hella far away from that wall too. So yeah, this is good. If need be, I'll adjust it a little more if I need to angle it down or anything, but right now this seems like perfect. Alright, so I'm on my way home right now, and I just want to do a quick little driving video while I'm on the way. Dude, look at this. This is hella better, dude. Look. Before, you couldn't see nothing with the stock headlights, and this is with just the low beams on. High beams, probably can't pick it up on video, but it does make it a lot brighter. But yeah, this is way, way better, man. Like, before, I couldn't see crap. So, you know, like I said, they sell the replica versions of these, but these are actually the dual beam pattern to where you get the high and low beams to stay on. You guys seen with the harness that we added to it. So yeah, this is worth every single penny. Like, they sell it normally, and what I did was I just added an HID kit to it, and I added a LED for the reflectors, and it worked out perfect. Like, I can't complain at all with how well these lights look right now. Before, I couldn't see nothing. Even with, so when I first had this car, it had HIDs, which were alright, but it still wasn't enough. And then one of the HIDs messed up, so I ended up putting LEDs, which were, you know, okay, but it just wasn't the lighting that I wanted, especially coming from the 350, where the 350 has a bunch of lighting. And now this actually looks like a freaking, you know, modern car that has, you know, nice headlights, has a nice cutoff line. So I couldn't be happier with this, man. Way, way, way better.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma